Hey everyone, welcome to yet another video by WH Productions. So today we are going to be making this facecam animation, this laser beam facecam animation in After Effects. So it's extremely simple and easy to do. And I've made a lot of facecam animations on this channel and you guys seem to really like that. So this is going to be a treat for the gamers out there. So you can easily use this as your facecam in gaming videos. So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you are new to this channel for more amazing content. And let's get straight to the video. In order to make this animation, we are basically just going to go ahead and select a new composition over here. It's going to be 1920 by 1080 pixels, and let's just keep the time as 10 seconds. Hit OK. And then let's just go ahead and draw a rectangle over here, which is going to be our border for the face cam by selecting the rectangle tool. And you can just go ahead and press Alt and click on this icon over here in the fill icon and toggle between the different modes to select no fill over here. And for this stroke I'm just going to select 12 points, and we're going to change the color after this. So let's go to the rectangle path and then just go ahead and unlink this icon over here. Select 1280 by 720. So this is going to give us a 16:9 aspect ratio for this rectangle, which is the standard for the face cam. Then I'm just going to go ahead and align this horizontally and vertically in the center by selecting the align option. So let's just go ahead and change the color for this stroke and change this to a darker color. So darker color is going to look extremely good once our lighter color moves on top of it. So I'm just selecting dark blue over here. Then I'm basically just going to go ahead and duplicate this, and I'm just going to make it smaller by holding down shift, just touching the edges of the other border. As you can see, this is going to touch the edge of the other border so that it's going to create an illusion for the laser. Actually it's going to be a gradient, but it's going to look like a laser moving across the screen. Let's just go ahead and the layer style, then select our gradient overlay on this layer. In this gradient overlay, let's just edit the gradient and add our colors that we want. So we're just going to select the colors of the logo that we have. So whatever your logo is, you should be sure to select those colors. Now starting with the lighter color, I'm just going to go into darker colors, and I'm just going to click and add this icon, this picker, to select the colors. And as you can see, as I move towards the right, I'm adding darker colors with the lighter colors at the extreme left side. Now I'm going to drag this black picker to the left and change this color to the exact color of the face cam that we have over here, this blue color. And I'm just going to move this towards the left, then select OK. And let's just change this gradient to the angle, this style to the angle. So let's change the angle value to 0 for now, and let's change the style to angle. And as we move the angle, we are going to see that our laser is going to move, our gradient is going to move ahead. So you can experiment with this reverse button over here, turn it on or off. Just make sure that the edge of the laser is blunt and not blurry like you see over here at the end. So once I just increase the angle in the negative direction, then I'm going to see that my laser is going to move clockwise. So this is what we need exactly. So I'm just going to go ahead and select 0 over here for the angle and just keyframe it at 0 seconds. Then I'm going to go ahead at 5 seconds and select -1 for this. So this is going to give us our animation, and like I said, be sure to experiment with this reverse, turn it on or off. So as you can see, this lighter color is moving on top of the darker color, and it's looking really fantastic. So now let's just go ahead and import our logo over here, and let's just scale this down. And after scaling this down, I'm just going to go ahead and bring this in the center. So if you want to be thorough, then you can select align horizontally. So there we have it. This is our facecam animation. So now you want to end this animation at around 5 seconds. So be sure to be on top of this last keyframe so that there are no breaks and stops in your animation. And as you can see over here, when I move towards greater than 5 seconds, then I'm going to see a break within the animation at the very end, like over here. So in order to avoid this, you just need to go ahead and select the last keyframe and press N on your keyboard to end the composition over there. By the way, guys, please be sure to leave a like and comment below if you have used this facecam in your videos, and subscribe for more amazing content like this and other animations After Effects. So now we're going to select both of these keyframes and select keyframe assistant and easy ease them just to ease out our animation. Then we will play this finally. And if you want to make this animation a little more smoother, like on the edges it is slowing down. So if you want to make this more uniform, then you have to select this angle and then just select the graph editor over here by selecting the angle and selecting the graph editor tool over here. Right click and select edit speed graph. So you can just go ahead and adjust the keyframes at the end in sort of a line. Just make the slope a little bit flatter so that you have a more uniform growth for this, just like I'm doing over here. And I think I'm happy with this. So I'm going to go ahead and play my animation and see how it is. So I think that this has become a little bit more smoother, and this is good. So I'm just going to close this and just go ahead and export this animation now. So in order to export this animation, first we have to toggle this transparency grid over here, and then go at File, Export, Add to Render Queue. And after entering into the render queue, I'm just going to select lossless over here. After going into lossless, I'm just going to select this QuickTime and select the RGB plus alpha channel. This is alpha channel, so this is transparent and important for face cams. Select OK, and you can import this animation to the place where you like. So guys, thanks so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one, inshallah.